Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So it is the 2nd of January here in the UK, and it's been quite cold recently. You can see there's ice on the pond, and what I've done to prevent the pond from freezing over, it's been melting today. It's probably 2:30 in the afternoon now, but it was worse than this. To prevent the pond freezing over, I've got this air stone which is on the bottom, and that provides little bubbles that come up, and those bubbles make a little bit of movement, and that stops the ice from forming. And you can see now the little bubbles coming up. And that pump is powered by a solar panel. And if you'd like to know how to install one of these, I'll leave a link below to the video when I made this little setup. So it's just a solar panel, and even when there's almost no sunlight, you can see that it's still producing those bubbles. So it's a solar panel going into the pump, which is inside here, and then a little tube which runs down and into the pond. So that little bit of movement just stops the ice from freezing. So it's really good if you've got a small pond which is quite far away from your property and you don't have any mains electric. You might think that these only work in the summertime, but as you can see, it is a cloudy day today, and it's January, it's cold, but it's still producing enough movement with those bubbles to stop it freezing over. So you can see the fish are not on the surface at the moment, they're probably on the bottom because it's really cold. My pond is about 3 or 4 foot deep, so around 100 centimeters deep, and they probably won't come up again till springtime. Now that's fine, there's plenty of oxygen in the water during the winter time, but there isn't if you allow your pond to freeze over. It could actually suffocate the fish. So it's really important to make sure there's a way of the oxygen getting into the water. And it's important if you've got particularly sensitive fish, maybe fish that haven't been in the pond so long, or you've got a shallow pond. It's important not to hit the ice with something to break it, like a stick, because it sends shockwaves through the water, and this can really disturb the fish. It can even kill them. It can really shock them. So you don't want to break the ice.
So that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and Happy New Year.